Following Interstate 49 north of Shreveport, Louisiana, you pass through a community called Blanchard. Some of this community is protected by a levee system on the 12-mile bayou, which is a primary tributary to the Red River. As the levee system becomes overwhelmed from the excess of rainwater, the floodgates that prevent 12-mile bayou from backing up into the surrounding areas close off automatically. This recently happened, prompting local businesses and homeowners to start preparing for the potential of floodwaters reaching their properties. In 2015, these businesses were victim to the rising floodwaters due to excess rain in the local area. With nowhere for the rainwater to go due to the river being above flood stage and the floodgates of the levee being closed, it became an all-hands-on-deck situation to get the office buildings secured. This year in 2019, 12-mile Bayou and the Red River have already reached flood stage, and the floodgates of the levee are closed in this area. With the forecasted heavy rains this weekend, these businesses are preparing for the possibility for more torrential downpours that could raise the floodwaters even higher and threaten their businesses. For SVL Media on location, this is Brandon Lawrence.